morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi guys. This is my first ever video that I'm going to upload in my channel on YouTube. Very exciting. And I basically just want to document all our activities here in the US. Like, we moved here from Vietnam last May 2015, but we actually just started to have our own life here since I think October, when we have our house here. Actually, this is not a house, this is a condo unit. And slowly by slowly, I'm going to talk to you about our life here before, and very sad and very exciting adventure that I want to share to you. But now let me first introduce to you to my family. So my husband works here, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. And we have one baby, Sarah. Her name is Sarah, and I'm the one taking care of baby Sarah. And I hope I can share to you my experiences, the differences between living here and living in the Philippines. Or I want you to tour around our house because I am going to video most of my videos here. So it's better familiarized with our house. I try coffee and cream because my husband always tell me that I am black. I looks like coffee, and he's white. It looks like cream. And at first I get so offended because in the Philippines it's like, oh, black, you are so ugly. But then in a positive way, because he actually likes black. And now it's just I make fun of it. And so yeah, so better start with our house tour. Let's go. Entrance door. So this is the entrance door of our house. I'll turn around, I'll start with the entrance door. And as you go inside, over here I have a mirror and a small table. It's like I have some vase here. And here is our living room. And the baby is there. Hi, baby. Okay. This is my table. This is where I do my stuff. And my husband's diploma. I have another one there, but it falls off. I have to put it back again. And our wooden clock. And I have here, I designed something like all our pictures. Like this one is that's my baby, and she's crying. Hi, baby. She's very happy. If she's stuck in the walker, she will cry. Sarah, that's her favorite toy, the monkey. Hi, baby. Hi, baby Sarah. So this is our living room. It's a real flower over there. It's not plastic. I bought it in IKEA. And we have this one. This is my favorite. I bought it in Vietnam. I really ship it here. And we have this picture in our wedding, which my husband's father drew for us. It's very nice, and then I framed it. It's very beautiful, very thoughtful of his father. And so from the sofa we have a little, how do you call this, balcony or terrace or whatever. How do they call this one here? Patio? No. So this is, it goes straight outside. We have a little yard at the back, and and the woods, and we have a little flower here, and I'll show you something. This is my husband's smoking area. Yeah, he smoked. It's not cigarette though. It's a we call it shisha. This is baby's bicycle. Baby's bicycle. Gidig. Gidig, 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 gidig. Gidig, gidig. Boom chikalala. So let's continue. So this is our dining room. This is a small dining room. So we have just like that, our dining room. This is another painting. This is from Vietnam too. Actually, I like this more than the big one. And then from the dining room, we turn to the right, and this is our kitchen. So we have a kitchen, like you pass the lid side by side. You have the stove here, my baby stuff here, some salt and pepper, so all the basics. And then we have this microwave, it's a washing thing, it's the sink, and I have chicken fillet here. I wanted to cook it for tonight. I want to do a chicken skewer, and some baby bottles there that I have to wash. And so when you go out from the kitchen, if you turn right, you're back to the living room, and when you turn left, we have the toilet here, the bathroom. So no, I'll show you first, but we have a storeroom here, laundry room actually. So these are the shirts that my husband wear on his work. I try to wash it by myself here and iron it here because it's very expensive to always do the dry clean. I think it's very expensive here, so it's better do it at home. So I have rubbish here. I have to throw it away later, and all the things here, and all the things here and there, all the things. I don't like to see so many things outside, so I keep all the things here. And there's our washer and our dryer. And yeah, let's go to, I tore you around. Hi baby, she's following me. Hi baby. Hello, are you stuck there? Come, are you stuck? Huh? Turn around. Huh? Turn around. Turn around. Yeah, yeah. Come follow mommy. Okay, okay. Okay. It's okay. Come. You can do it. Come. Okay. Come. So this is our room. This here also another crib. This is where she play when I'm in this room, and this is where she sleep at night because I sleep here beside her. So it's easy for me at night to feed her, and when she cry, I just extend my hand and give her something to pat her or give her a binky. So she sleep here. And this is our bed, and we have 2 windows in this room. So another baby stuff. This is where I put the stroller. I actually use the stroller to walk her around in the house because I can't really carry her for so long, so I have to move her from one thing to another thing and carry her a little. and that's the same reason why I have this rocking chair. This is a recliner and slash rocking chair because this helps me a lot. This is where I carry her when she's not in the mood or she wants to sleep, and I rock her here and she likes it. And we have another window here, and I have this picture from our wedding that our friend gave to us. This is actually very cool because this is as you can see, can you see that? It's like puzzles put together and like that. You frame it and it's good. I like it very much. And this is another toilet that we have in our room, and this room is very nice because we have a very big closet here. Is here. Smile, Daddy. Move over there. Move.
Come, go away.
Come on. Come on. That's Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi,
Why are you so early today? Where are you? Why? They're playing.